In this video, we will learn about internal linking, which is most important part of on-page SEO. In this video, we will learn what is bad link, what is good link, and how you can do internal linking of your post in the website. Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with a basic definition of internal linking. What is internal linking? So the internal links are the links that go from one page on a domain to a different page on the same domain. It means, for example, this is your website. This is your domain name. You have one page on this particular domain. Then you want to connect this particular page to another page of the same domain. This is known as internal linking. But if you want to connect this particular page to the another page of the another domain, let's suppose this is another domain and this is the page of this particular domain. This is known as external linking. So the linking between these two is known as internal, and the linking between these two is known as external. They are commonly used in the main navigation. In your home page, when you see that we have different pages available here. Now, if you want to connect one page of the same domain to the another page of the same domain, in that case we need internal linking. An internal link is one that points to the another page of the same website. The HTML code for internal linking. If you are using WordPress for your website, in that case you don't need to mention your HTML code. But if you are working on another language, in your HTML code we have one attribute here which is known as A. This is your anchor. This is your one of the attribute of your HTML code. A tag we are using here, that is your A. Title, this is an internal link. This is the text of this particular link. Then href equals, and this is the link, whatever be the link you want to connect it with your link text. By this code we can simply connect our one page of the same domain to the another page of the same domain. Now the question is, why we do internal linking? Why it is important? It is important because it makes your website navigation easier. For example, if your user is reading information on the one page, and now for example, for this particular word, if user want to gain some more information and that information is also available on your website, in that case you can simply connect this word, this text to the another page of your website, so that your user will also visit that particular page for more information. So this will make navigation easier for your user. Associate pages of the same site together. Just to make connectivity between these two pages, we are using internal link here. Distribute your page rank, that is your link juice of the page around the website. Help search engine discover the important pages of your website. For example, if your Google crawler can read this particular information of that page, and if you connect this particular page to the another page, then your Google search crawler also visit that particular page and crawl all the information of another page. So that is also one of the important factors that we are doing internal linking here. Now the question is, what are the difference between good and the bad internal link? So let me explain you what is good internal linking. In case of good internal linking, when you connect all the pages of your website to each other. Let's suppose this is your home page and you connect your home page with your page A, page D, page C and page G. And then further you connect another pages in same way, like connect page E with your page F and then page F with your page B. In the same way you connect other pages as well. So this is known as good internal linking, when all the pages of your website are connected with. In case of poor internal linking, when you are not connected the pages of your website with each other, this is known as poor internal linking. Internal linking distribute link juice to internal pages. Internal link juice is distributed from home page to the internal page of the website. Just like you're seeing here, this is your home page. And the internal link juice is distributed between page 1, page 2 and page 3. This improves the page rank of the internal pages and make them more descriptive to search engine. Should you no follow internal links? Now when we put linking, in that case we have one option here, that is do follow or no follow. Let me show you a live example how you can do internal linking and when this option is visible. Let me show you. For this particular page, if you want to do internal linking in this particular page, in that case you have to select that particular text which you want to connect. For example, I simply select the text. Here we have one option here, that is link, or you can simply press Ctrl+K to do linking. Click on that and here you have to mention that particular URL. For example, if the URL is from your website, in that case you have to put your URL there and then you have to select add no follow to link if you want to add your internal link to no follow. If you want that this particular page will open in the new tab, then you have to click on open in new tab. This is how you can put internal linking here. Just like you can see here that here this is the option here. We already added this particular URL as an internal linking. So in the same way, you can create internal linking in your pages. Now the question is, should you no follow internal link? A link, whether this is an external link or internal link, is a signal that you trust that particular page and it is said that it passes page rank from your page to the internal link. And when you add the no follow in a link is like telling search engine not to take into account the particular link as a vote of trust to the linking website. So in that case, for your internal linking, this is the page of your website. In that case, you don't need to put your page in no follow link. But if you are adding your external link, in that case you are using this particular feature, you can add your page in no follow option. So you should no follow in internal link when it points to a page that is not accessible by search. For example, your page is behind a login page. So all these pages you can put in no follow and the link goes to a page that is not important. Any tagged pages, I usually no follow all my tag pages since I need to give more value to the actual page and don't want to rank my tag pages. In that case, you are using no follow. So the best practices of the internal linking, this is the checklist we have. Let me quickly revise that particular checklist. Add internal link when it is useful for the user's experience. Add keyword, your targeted keyword in the anchor text. Try not to use more than 6 to 7 internal links per page within the text, body text. Use the no follow tag wisely, as I already discussed when you should use no follow. Make sure that you do not have any broken internal links. When you do connectivity of your pages, in that case you must have to take care about that. Whatever be the page you linked, that is not broken link or any 404 error page. So you have to check that. Link related pages together. Make sure that the pages you want to rank higher in the search engine have a great number of internal links. So this is the checklist we have. You can use the internal links report under the section that is search traffic in our Google Webmaster Tool, that is our Google Search Console, to find out the status of your internal link building. From there, we can track our internal links. Use text content for your internal links. Adding internal links to images is not useful. In case of images, we are not using our internal link. Only in case of text, we are using internal link. Make sure that the total number of links per page, that is totally internally or externally, is no more than 100. So you have to take care about these pointers when you are doing internal link. Now the conclusion is, if you follow the best practices outlined above, then the internal links can only benefit a website and make the user experience better and enjoyable. So consider internal links as a way to build your own brand. So this is all about internal linking. Thank you so much for watching this video.